First, mark the desired location on the wall and make sure the panel is perfectly vertical. To attach evolved panels to the wall, drill through the end of the run trim. Use appropriate fasteners according to the wall or wall stud material to ensure a structurally sound connection. With the trim secured on the wall, push the panel in to attach it to the trim.